Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today topic is that learn English at home without invest your single penny. What the things you can do through this video I'm going to share you because you know what, learning English is a game of practice only. People spend a lot of money to learn this beautiful language, and after that they will not be able to become that much fluent, that much money they spend at that time. Okay, so watch this video till the end. You will get extra tip to learn English at your home. So what can you do? First, before sharing the things, I will tell you exactly why I am sharing these all the things. To be honest, when I joined an institute where I gave a 6 month, but I wasn't be able to speak good English. At the time, like I was able to understand what the people are saying, but when it came to me, I wasn't able to speak. So that's why, and I started my practice at home. And today I am at that level. I don't know what is my level, but at least I'm able to understand, I'm able to give my reply, and most important thing, I'm able to record my video. Okay, you know what, guys, what is more important to do these all are things. And first thing I would love to clear here, English is just a language. Don't take it so much serious. Until you stop to take this language serious, you will not be able to learn this language. So make sure, don't take it serious. This is only a language, this is only a skill. That the things you have to pick in your mind. Now I am going to discuss about the things, what the things you can do to improve yourself at your home. And there's a no need. The first thing is that start practicing of shadowing. Okay, why? Because shadow is something you can copy, you can imitate, and that's gonna help you a lot. Whatever I'm saying, just pause this video and start speaking, sometimes with the person, sometimes with just pausing of your video and then start. So few of things you can do, like shadowing, it's really helpful thing. While watching anything else, while covering anything else, while observing any English content, just watch it and start repeating. That's really help you. Shadowing, it's something a mind blowing. Like earlier I wasn't be able to aware about it that, but when I connected many of YouTubers, they suggested me at that time shadowing, it's really helpful, and I do shadow. Then I think, why should I not, and I started shadowing. So shadowing can help you to make your expression good, to make the command, to make the observation as well. Because speaking only, that's not important. You have to show your expression, and especially a body language, and we can say that face expression, we can say that your nose, eyes, lips, gestures, all the matters a lot when you speak English. I can say not only English, but also whatever you are speaking, what the language you are using, it's a part of communications. Okay, so make sure while shadowing, you have to notice expression as well. You are not practicing just opening your mouth. No, you are practicing about your facial expression, and that matters a lot. Even earlier, I like speak only, I spoke only, but right now my eyes, my eyebrow, my lips, my nose, my mouth, everything speaks, and that's matter. Like when you reach at that stage, when you are able to understand English and when you are able to give the reply, then you feel now it's polish to ourselves. And what is a polish? Polish is that to make your facial expression, just give the perfect things while covering, while giving your speech, while giving your whatever in your mind. Okay, so that's really important. The second thing is that after shadowing, you can start listening a lot. Okay, listening is one of the best exercise which you can do it, and you can improve a lot. Why I'm not suggesting about the reading, because reading is not my cup of tea. Yeah, these days I am inculcating this habit. Reading is also important. I'm not saying, I'm not denying this fact, but the first thing is important is listening. I can say by the help of listening, you can do two things together. The one thing is that you can observe the content. The second thing is that you can express the same way. Okay, you can improve your pronunciation as well, because from what happened with the those people who really belong to Hindi medium board, yeah, any other board, where they don't know how to speak English, so at the time they can improve their pronunciation. They face, while speaking, they face such types of issues, and I used to do as well, and today maybe I'll make some times of pronunciation mistake. That's happened, and that's not a big deal. I'll never take to my mistake very serious, because if I started taking serious my mistake, then of course I will not be able to speak English. So make sure while speaking English, you don't have to impose yourself. Yeah, you don't have to give lot of concentrations to take your mistakes serious, because that's really going to stop you. Okay, so the first you can do shadow, the second you can do listening, the third is more important, the is that words. People say words are not important, but totally, to be honest, it's important. Okay, there's a no need to learn advanced word. Yeah, there is no need to learn a lot, but that is important. You should have any idea about the few of words which which you can speak while delivering your thoughts. Okay, so that's important. That's why I'm saying just learn at least one word or two words. Okay, not learn lot of words, because learning a lot of words, that also not going to help you. So make sure just learn one and two words, and try to use in your sentence formation. Okay, when you speak to someone, that is your responsibility. You have to use these all the words which you have already learned while giving your thought, while expressing of yourself. Okay, so learning of words is important, but don't learn only, you have to use also. Okay, that's really help you at that time. Now, the fourth thing is really very important. Just read moral story. Okay, in the very starting time, there is no need to start with newspaper, yeah, novel, yeah, we can say that long and lengthy paragraph. No, there's a no need. Now we have a chat gpt, right? Everybody uses chat gpt all the time, in any situation, in any trouble. So why you should not read in English? Whatever the problem you are searching over a chat gpt, you have to search in English. Okay, and that's help you. If you like, if you don't have anything to search in English, so make sure just search story, at least short stories, maybe 5 and 10 lines. It could be 5 and 10 lines, and you have to read twice, not only single time. You have to read twice. Okay, and the ones when you search na, like a short story, and if you think no, this is the okay and I am able to read this, so make sure after reading, yeah, after one story, you just read and you just search on chat gpt, please provide me one other story with beautiful word, and it will provide. Okay, so it will be provided by chat gpt. When you search na such types of things, so it will be provided by chat gpt easily. So at that time you have to start reading that. So start always reading short and according to your interest. So when you do not such types of things, you will find out a different level of changement in you. Okay, to be honest, if you do not such types of thing at your home, so and to be honest, if you do not such types of thing at your home, so I can say you can truly learn this language, right? Because these all are the part of practice only. When you start doing practice, and there's a no need to create an environment as well. Okay, You can, and now we have like I also like conduct a conversational session with my YouTubers, yeah, with my subscriber, yeah, anyone. So if you really want to have a session with me, if you really want to practice with me, and you can also drop me mail and we can connect easily, you can clear your doubts as well. Okay, so there's a no really a hard task. It's not really very difficult. Everybody can learn it, everybody can make their own schedule, whatever they want to do it, they can do it. So make sure that is totally up to you. And when it's something up to you, so there's a no any trouble. I don't think so there's any trouble. Why you are waiting for it? There's a no need to wait it. Okay, you have to do your 100% and you will be able to improve yourself. Okay, so is there any comment, is there any other things would you like to know that? So of course let me know in the comment section. I'm there, I will give you a reply, I will solve your problem. Okay, so please don't make single excuse, you have a lot of things to do it. Just start doing. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye, take care.